Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing a giveaway package that I won from a collab giveaway by Life with Liv and Penny's Place. I'll make sure to leave their channel links and Penny's Slime Shop in the description below. Also, this video is going to be my 1-year anniversary from starting this YouTube channel because my first ever video was uploaded on April 4th, 2020, and the day that I'm going to be uploading this is April 4th, 2021. Anyways, before we start this video, here are our shoutouts today. So the slimes arrived in this box with bubble wrap and they were packaged with tissue paper. There was actually a lot of stuff in this giveaway package which I didn't really expect at all. I was so excited and happy to unbox this. This package included borax and extras, scrunchies, sand in this little bottle, and a note that says, "We hope you enjoy the slimes from Penny and Liv." Here is a gift, which is some stickers in this little envelope. 2 8-ounce slimes. Then there's also 3 extra 2-ounce slimes. So the first slime that we're going to be opening was packaged in tissue paper, and this was a Big Ball Foam thick and glossy slime. It was a light turquoise color, and it was super thick and super glossy. My favorite part about this slime was the gloss. It was just so glossy. Probably the glossiest slime I've ever felt. It was very clicky, stretchy, made amazing bubble pops and amazing swirls. And for some reason, this slime also had a sweet scent. It didn't smell like glue at all. Maybe it was a glue actually, I'm not sure. But it was a very sweet scent that I did enjoy. The slime was a little bit hard to get out of the container. This clip right here is 2.5 times sped up. I'm not sure why, but it was kind of hard to get out. This slime was a little bit underactivated, so I did activate it later on in the video. By the way, this slime inflates a ton. The next slime was also packaged in tissue paper and it was also a 8-ounce slime. It came with a little baggie of charms and female slices. There were watermelon, strawberry, and heart female slices. There was also candy and heart charms. I think this was a cloud cream or an icy slime. It didn't have any fallout at all and it was a light pink color. It was also very stretchy and pretty clicky. It was very easy to fluff up and inflate. I loved the whole theme of this slime. It was so cute and it made me happy just looking at it. This slime was a little bit hard to get out of the container as well, but that doesn't really bother me. Lastly, we have the 3 extra 2-ounce slimes. They were packaged together in this tissue paper. Unfortunately, these slimes did leak, which is fine with me because I did put the slimes into another container after the video. Anyways, here's the first slime. It is a golden pigmented clear slime. There was a piece of tape around the container to make sure it didn't leak, but that didn't really work out well. This slime was melted, so I did add some activator. It was very thick, very clicky, and super clear. It also made amazing bubble pops and pretty great pokes. The next 2-ounce slime is this very vibrant red-colored clear slime. It was such a pretty color and it was so clear. It was very thick but a little bit underactivated, so I did have to add some activator. This was such an amazing slime. It was probably my favorite clear slime out of all of these extra slimes. The last extra slime is this clear 2-ounce slime with avocado fimo slices. It is very clear and very thick as well. I loved that they added a lot of fimo slices because it kind of added a little bit of crunch into the slime. At first I thought they were cucumber fimo slices, but they're actually avocado. This slime was a little bit melted, so I did have to add a little bit of activator. I accidentally over-activated it, but after leaving it to sit for a few days, it melted down a little bit and was the perfect texture. This slime was a little bit thicker than the other slimes. I noticed that it does have a little tint to it, but that doesn't really bother me since it is mostly clear. After I let it sit for a few days, it was stretchy and I really loved this slime. I also really loved the texture that the fimo slices gave this slime. Anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching. Bye!